AI isn't just upgrading ChatGPT, it's reinventing what an AI chatbot can be. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. ChatGPT is transforming from a chatbot into a full-blown AI-powered app platform where third-party tools don't just sit in the background, they join your conversation. Think of it as the AppStore meets a smart assistant. Now you don't have to search, install, or open anything. Just talk. Say you're planning a vacation, ChatGPT might automatically bring in Expedia or Booking.com. Or if you're designing a logo, Figma quietly joins the chat. Need a playlist? Spotify pops in. You don't name the apps. The AI will read the context and bring the tools to you. Apps might live in folders in your phone, but here they live in your flow. And that's not all. Major brands are already on board like Canva, Coursera, Zillow, and more. And OpenAI is opening the gates to developers with an SDK to build their own apps. From a single prompt, users can now book trips, create content, manage finances, and even draft resumes, all without switching tabs or platforms. But this isn't just about convenience, it's a power play. Like Google with search or Apple with iOS, OpenAI is positioning itself as the gatekeeper of a new kind of digital ecosystem where discovery, monetization, and user interaction all depend on ChatGPT only. The update might already be here for most users, and developers can start building apps immediately. The revenue sharing details are still under wraps, but be prepared for the rise of ChatGPT OS, where AI stops being a tool and starts becoming your personal assistant. Are you gonna give it a try? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.